Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update billing info on HBO Max, full instructions step by step clearly. Open the HBO Max app on your phone or tablet, or go to max.com in a web browser on. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection so the payment page loads correctly. Click or tap sign in, and enter the email and password used for your HBO Max account. If you are already signed in, go to the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings or Account, depending on the device you are using. Find the section called Subscription, Billing, or Payment Information and open it. Check who manages your subscription, because the steps change based on where you subscribed. If it says billed through Max or HBO Max directly, choose Manage Subscription or Update Payment Method. Select Edit Payment or Change Payment Method to start updating your billing details. Choose the payment type you want to use, such as credit card, debit card, or another available option. Carefully enter the new card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown on the card. Type the cardholder name in the same format used by your bank to avoid verification problems. Enter the billing address, including street, city, state, and zip code, and double-check for typos. If you are using PayPal, select PayPal and log in to confirm the new billing method. If your subscription is billed through Apple, open iPhone settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Tap Subscriptions, select Max, and update your payment method in Apple ID Payment and Shipping. If your subscription is billed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, select Max, and update your payment method. If your subscription is billed through Amazon, open Amazon, go to your Memberships and Subscriptions, and select Max. Update the payment method in your Amazon Payments settings and confirm the change. If your subscription is billed through Roku, open my.roku.com, sign in, and go to Manage your subscriptions. Select Max and update the payment method linked to your Roku account. After entering the new billing info, click or tap Save, Update, or Confirm to apply the changes. Wait for the confirmation message that your payment method has been successfully updated. If you do not see a confirmation, refresh the page or reopen the app and check the payment details again. If the update fails, recheck the billing address, available balance, and whether your card allows online subscriptions. For extra safety, remove any old or expired cards if the option is available on your billing page. Sign out and sign back in to confirm everything is synced correctly across your devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.